Hello everybody. So today we are going to look at how to boot PC using alternative OS and still SAM file. So I'm using right now Kali Linux for that. So let's start. So I have already uh, boot the OS. So users need to uh, uh, update the source list if you are not getting internet connection. So right now I'm typing sudo apt-get update. So it will take a few sec to update it. So this is the file for of Windows. So right now I'm gonna open it as root. After that, so I'm gonna open the terminal. There I'm inside the Windows file system. So I am copying the system config, Windows System 32 config system to desktop as well as the SAM file. So there you can see on desktop. So I'm trying to go to desktop and so let's do file and SAM. So MS Windows registry file. So this is also the registry file as you can see. And here I have used another USB that is my another USB that is 32 GB as well as that. So let's wait for it to load another. So I'm gonna open here terminal and I'm gonna copy the file. So I'm gonna create a folder over here in desktop so I can copy that into my pen drive. So I'm using has and let's copy that. It's inside that folder, right? After that, let's copy that file. So it would be much more easier than copying one by one. So let's so first of all let's copy this from home Kali. Then it's on my desktop. Then file folder name was has. After that, we need to put dash R for recursively. So I'm gonna copy inside whatever inside the folder. So I'm gonna use as my current folder. So in my pen drive, that means period means in current directory. And let's wait for a few seconds. So finally it's completed. So now you can crack this hash as offline, right? So here is my USB, right? So there is my hashes. So I'm gonna copy down in desktop, right? So now we want to download the Mimikatz from this GitHub link. So here is a repo. So let's wait for it, right? So you get this kind of errors. So it's right down there. So you go to setting and go to privacy and security, then remove that tick, then reload it. Now you will get into the download folder. So you just download it, right? I have already downloaded it. So I'm gonna use 32. No, I'm gonna use 64. So let's double click it. And here is our Mimicat. And before that, you just need to turn off the virus and threat protection setting. Then you can run this Mimicat, right? So you can do, so we are gonna use that SAM file as well as that system file to get NTLM hash. So system, then semicolon, right? Semicolon, and you will define, give the address of system file. So basically here is our hashes. Let's double click it. After that, let's copy that, right? Then let's paste it over here and slash, then write system from capital letter, right? And similarly, as well as we need to define a SAM file. So as am sam, then semicolon, then let's paste that. After that, let's use sam, then let's do enter. So here you can see the user root ntlm has file, right? Root user, and let's go a little bit up. So here you can see user gig and the ntlm has. So we have got hash from previous Mimicat from Windows, right? So this is our hash. So I'm gonna crack this gig user password. So what am I gonna do is to just show you. First of all, let me do ls, right? Here is my ntlm hash, so I can just do cat it out, and I have the password file. So next what I want to do is use john for that, and here is our format equal to nt lm has in short, that is nt. And next is our word list, right? And that is ran password.txt we have. Then we have our hash, then let's do enter. So I have already loaded this hash and cracked it. And after that, what you can do is john, so then you can do format, right? format format equal to nt. And next is so we have to specify the hash. So let's do enter. So our password would be gig. So for gig user, the password is gig. So this is the way you can crack it. Thank you guys.